Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Creo tutorial how to draw circle. For the first I will go to sketch. You can click top plan and click sketch. Move into sketch view, and to create a circle you can click at this drop down menu, and you can see we have four options to create circle. First, circle and point you can click, and I will click start from this point into here. Cut again from this point into this point. The second, you can create circle by using this concentric. You can click and you can select the circle as a reference, and you can move into here. So it will be create ring from this command. The third, we can use 3 points. You can click like first point in here, second point, and then the third point. I will click at this point. And the last, we can create circle by using tangen. You can click this circle object, first object, the second object, and the third object. Okay, that's it for basic Creo tutorial, how to draw circle. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.